What's up everybody? Today we are here in Slovenia on day 2 of the Great Slovenian Bicycle Challenge, as I like to call it. And today we are driving this wonderful electric mountain bike, which is worth 4,000 euros. So in today's video, we're going to ride it, we're going to check out the views, and we're going to have a lot of fun checking out the rest of Slovenia. So get ready for an awesome video. Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries and the adventure continues. Good morning everybody. Whoa. Alright, welcome to day 2 of the Great Slovenian Bicycle Tour. Making our way 3 hours to the other side of the country basically, which you can do in 3-4 hours. My biological clock is still on South American time, so I woke up at 3 this morning and I haven't been able to sleep since. Because Ollie over here is doing a live video, and then Pierre was being funny and he actually started watching him live, and they're pretty much right next to each other, so it's just super funny to watch. Who gets up at 6 a.m. to watch a live video? Alright, welcome to day 2 here in Slovenia, and I'm really excited for today because we get to ride electric mountain bikes. Check it out. I want to give you a quick little tour. I imagine the battery is all in the frame, as you see there. A nice little shock. Got disc brakes. The seat looks really hard though. Cool helmet. Got some shifting, got some stuff going on. Anyway, super excited because we're gonna go uphill, which on a normal bike would suck, but on an electric bike should be fine. All right, so here's a very unique thing that does not usually ever happen to me. It usually happens to like the women and girls, but this gentleman over here has the same shorts that I have. Look at that. Same exact shorts. It doesn't happen very often. I've never seen anybody with the same shorts, so it's really cool to know that I'm not the only one. Today's unique sight. Pretty awesome. Wow, the feeling of this bike is so cool. Like, there's minimal to no effort. Pierre, what do you think about the bike?
They are really cool. Really cool.
So check it out. I know you can't see it on the camera, but we're going uphill. I'm not doing anything. It feels like I'm doing nothing at all. There goes our film crew. And when we're trying the different settings this thing has. It has eco mode, it has trail mode, and it has boost mode. So basically we went from trail to boost, and the boost is so nice, except it consumes way more battery. And then we said, okay, we'll go back to trail. And then we realized that we like boost. Boost is nice. It makes things so much easier. So yeah, we're gonna be so spoiled after this. Won't want to ride a bicycle that's not electric anymore. We have a very dedicated film crew today because we got Alex on the mic, and we got a cameraman doing their best job at trying to capture the moment. Check it out. This young lady is on a normal bicycle that is not electric, and she's keeping up with us. That is amazing. That's today's inspiration for you guys. It's crazy. It's some kind of devotion that brings me down. Oh man, we have been going up like, I'm gonna probably guesstimate between 150 to 350 meters up in the elevation. It is so nice to have an electric bike, because although my legs are burning and they hurt a lot right now, it could be a lot worse without the electric bike. So this is actually a ski hill, so imagine taking a bike up a ski hill. It's pretty intense. This is what happens when you don't have an electric bike.
Poor manpower.
Yeah, trying to start uphill on an electric bike is not as easy as you think it is. Nope. All right, our bicycle tour through Slovenia has now become our CrossFit tour through Slovenia. Push the bikes up this very steep hill. It's very inclined, and I know through the camera you can't see it, but let me tell you, it is very, very steep. Our Micah guy is actually making his way up here as well. The poor guy looks like he's like dying. All right, we finally made it. We went all the way up the ski slope, as you can see. And let me tell you, the view is pretty amazing. Look at that. So about an hour and a half, 2 hours of nice exercise. And I don't think I would have made it without the e-bike. So thank you electric bikes. It's very nice. Looking at this cool little sign, which tells you all the random places there are in different directions. This place must be gorgeous during the winter time here for skiing. Taking some jumps, talking on the phone, doing business. We got mic camera work. We got interviews going on. Funny thing is, I have more control than what. Alright guys, if you can hear my commentary, I was just telling these guys I am way more comfortable doing this little trail on a motorcycle than I am on a bicycle because I'm so much more used to the motorcycle. This is because of the snow. Ha! Hey, the adventure continues. Alright, the trick here is to let the bike do the work, just like golf. You gotta let the clubs do the work on this one, and let the bike take the beating. Check out this view, check out this trail, check out this adventure. Yoo-hoo! Awesome stuff. So we're gonna make our way down, cue the music, all the way down we go. Alright, we have another. Pierre and I are laughing because him and I have eaten about 2 or 3 bugs now because we're having so much fun. We're like, all right, and then the bug gets in our mouth. It was a good source of protein. I cannot get over how green and beautiful this country is. Whoa. Oh. Alright, so there's some dangers involved in downhill electric mountain biking, and this is one of them. Unfortunately, sometimes the roads, as you saw, because the avalanches, the trees, the rocks, it doesn't quite make it as easy. So Early over here, unfortunately, got a little hurt, so we're gonna clean him up, patch him up, and head back down the road. He's a strong guy, so he'll make it. He'll make it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's no problem. Cool, it's gonna burn. Séptico.
Ah, vale.
Ese es el alcohol.
Vale.
All right, we got the guy patched up. It's a temporary fix. We don't have the right tools necessary to clean him up entirely, so we're gonna go down there. I'm gonna clean him up as perfect and as best as I can, down without any more accidents. And we only have about half an hour left. So guess whose bike got a rear flat tire? Mine did. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yes, thank you. So let me just tell you something. This is a lot easier to change than a motorcycle tire, because within 5 minutes you can do it. On a motorcycle, it's like an hour, hour and a half sometimes. Take this very quick moment to tell you that Pierre here is wearing some biking pants, which are awesome. Little pads here that you can actually wear the same thing under these shorts. And let me tell you, today's man problem is that they really ride up, so they're very uncomfortable for us men. It ain't easy. It's part of the experience. It's a good bandage job when it's not bleeding so much.
Yeah, it's so pro.
Yeah. I knew it. All those years of training in medical school were finally worth it. just for this one moment. Check it out. We are now jumping on the train to get back to where we started because we're so far from home.
Just have to put my feet back on the ground. And you will come
Oh, that's kind of
back.
cool.
Oh my God, it's you again. Once we were more than friends. Darling, how you been? I miss your smile. Oh my
We're doing our post mountain bike and train experience interview. Everywhere we go, there's a post interview. So definitely the coolest mountain bike experience I've ever had. Definitely I recommend you guys do some sort of mountain bike experience in Slovenia. It was mind-blowing. Like, wow. The views, the trail, the adventure, the accidents, everything. So cool. Guys, well done. Camera guy. If you guys want to do something like this, be sure to check out Trans Julius, and all the information's right there. So if you ever want to do it here in Slovenia, check them out. So they're filming me, so I got to talk to the camera and say some really cool stuff. Apparently, I already said everything I had to say. I'm just mocking this this interview, and hopefully they can get the footage, and it'll be really great. So this is the blooper reel at the end of the video. So check it out. There they are. They are filming me saying everything and trying to look cool.